Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorials. Today we're gonna talk about generic lists or generic classes. If we start to add item, and that's just gonna be a class, then we can call it generic class. Now the generic class is like, how can I make something understand a string or integer or booleans, and I wanted to understand everything I give it. So let's say we want to build it like this and type public t data get and set. Now that's actually everything you need for make this generic. This T is like standing for that you can put everything you want as long as you defined what it is. So I'm gonna try to show an example of how to do it. So let's say we try to create a generic class with int. We need to import models, and with this int we want to make an integer value, which is our new generic class of int. And this integer value dot data has the value, let's say 20. Now my generic class is built as integers and my data is 20. So let's say we want to console write line this, and that's just like integer value dot data. So when we console write line this, it will give us the value of 20, as you see here. So let's say that now I want to use this generic class, and the generic means that it's not only integer, it can be string or everything you want. So let's say I want my generic class now to take a string value, and that's my new generic class of strings. So now when we use this string value and define data, we can see James or something and console write line that string value and data. So our generic class can take a string, this, and it can take an int 20. And that's the meaning of generic. You can make it generic. You can define it by yourself. So when we run this code, you can see the 20 and the James. Maybe let's try say 2.5 here. Look. Now it tells you the error here is that you can't convert type of double, which is this 2.5, to a string. And if we write 2, then it will show us you can't convert type int to string, because this string value is defined as string. I hope it was understandable. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.